Hi friends, Andrea here with a new video for Bramble Fox. I'll be making some DIY hot cocoa mix tubes. You'll see them here ready with the mix in them. I spray painted the black top to make it white. And now I will be adding the gingerbread man to the top of my tubes. As well, I'll be using also the snowflakes perspective and the stamp set, one of the December stamp sets. So it will be a super short video and I'll walk you through the process. So the first thing is I'm using my hot glue gun to make sure that this gingerbread man stay in place, and then I have some of the fake snow that I'm adding to the top. And I tried to play with some of the sparkles that I had. It worked out in the end, but it was a little bit, you can see that my table right now is quite messy. So the same process I'm using 4 of the gingerbread man, mainly because these are the 4 ones with a happy face. And so I wanted to use these ones. And these tubes will be something that I'll be bringing to work to share with my coworkers. So I thought it was a tiny project to share some holiday vibes in the office. I'm using this patterned paper to add a border to where I want to add the bow and the tag. Using also some gold cardstock. I didn't like the fact that the border, I'm not sure if I am missing a die or if this is the next size, but it was just too big for me. So I created 4 of those, and you'll see me putting together the pattern paper, the border one, on only one of them, and decorating the whole tube for one of them. I didn't want to walk you through the same process 4 times. So the same, I'm adding this to the top of my tube with the hot glue gun. Now the fun part of stamping, creating this cute Christmas tags. Super simple. You could play with embossing, you could play with colors and make it more festive. I wanted to keep it simple since we're also gonna add another detail on top of it, and you'll see what I'm talking about. So I picked my ribbon, and what I'm doing is, let me see if that happens just now. Yes, so I add another bit of the hot glue on the back side to make sure that the ribbon stays in place, because it is a super thin one, and I thought that was what was going to happen, was that the tag was going to end up being way too heavy. So I added a little bit of the hot glue, and then you can see I'm playing with also adding these snowflakes to my tag. So that was mainly the reason why I wanted to keep the tag simple, because there was another detail being added to it. And here we go. Okay, so remember, one thing that I always tell you with these perspectives and with these acrylic pieces is that they come with a plastic protector normally on both sides of them. So I decided to remove those at the end to make sure that the the pieces stayed in the best condition so that I would not damage them or scratch them while I was trying to add them to the tag and then to the tubes. Okay, and this is it. You can see now this is the stamp set that I used to create to add the message, to add the star and the tiny stars at the bottom of the message. You can see how pretty they look. It's a super simple detail, but I'm sure that, you know, I'll get some smiles and I'll get to share those cookies that you see there are also part of the gift that I'll be bringing to the office. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please go check the Bramble Fox website. The January Fox box is already out and available for you to get it. Please let me know if you have any questions. I'm here for you. Again, this was Andrea for Bramble Fox. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.